Why do some robots have animal shapes? When we see robots like Boston Dynamics Spot, we often wonder why they're shaped like an animal, like a dog. It seems like a design straight out of science fiction, but the truth is that this engineering choice isn't just a whim. It has very practical and functional reasons, in addition to some psychological advantages. The main reason many robots are animal-shaped is due to mobility. Animals, especially four-legged ones, are masters at navigating environments that are nearly impossible for wheeled or tracked robots. Think about climbing stairs, moving across uneven terrain, or getting over obstacles. A quadruped shape gives them unbeatable agility and stability to overcome these challenges. Furthermore, the four-legged design offers superior balance. This allows the robot to handle heavy loads without toppling over and to recover quickly if it stumbles, something a bipedal robot can't do as easily. Beyond functionality, the animal shape has a big impact on how we interact with them. A robot with a familiar and non-threatening form, like a dog, is much easier for humans to accept than a purely industrial-looking robot or a humanoid with a blank face. This facilitates collaboration in workplaces, and an animal-shaped robot can also use its posture and movements to give non-verbal cues to humans, which makes interaction much more natural and intuitive. In short, the animal shape is a brilliant design choice known as biomimicry. It combines exceptional mobility and stability for the physical world with a psychological advantage that promotes human comfort and interaction. It's a perfect case of how nature inspires engineering to create the robots of the future.